Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to upload your YouTube videos to your GroovePages account to using your GrooveFunnels and the other things you want to do with your Groove Apps account. And of course, anybody can use this to upload videos for any reason to YouTube. So let me go ahead and quickly get into it here. Let's pop over to my YouTube account. So the one thing that this video is not going to cover that you need to do ahead of time is go sign up for a YouTube account. So if you haven't done that, just go to youtube.com, sign up for a free video, and it'll prompt you to create a free Gmail account if you haven't done it already. Once you have your Gmail account, excuse me, your YouTube account set up, come over here and you click on your little icon in the top right hand corner here. Go ahead and go to YouTube Studio. So once we do that, we're going to click this create button in the top right hand corner, and in the drop down we're going to see upload videos. So you can either drag them over. I'm going to go ahead and select files from a video that I already have made. This is about a 5-minute video on how to add videos to GroovePages. So I went ahead and selected the file, and then you want to go ahead and give it a title. So I'll come in here and I'll fix all this later, but for now let's just get a couple of basic things in here. You're going to want to put in a title. You're going to want to put a description. I'm just going to do it really easy right now. You can see it's uploading. Let me pause this until it's uploaded. Okay, so my YouTube videos, you see it's a little over 5 minutes, is done uploading. And what will happen is you just want to go ahead and just, take some time, put in a title, description when you're doing this, and that's going to give you 3 options for thumbnails. The thumbnail is what's going to show before the video plays. I typically sometimes will use whatever is here. It's just going to grab 3 random spots. You can also upload a thumbnail, and hopefully that'll allow me to do that in the next spot. I don't have any playlists set up right now, but you can select a playlist. Let's go ahead and hit next. I'm sorry. No, it's not made for kids. If it is, yes, it's made for kids. It talks about certain things. This is not like a children's video. So I typically hit no. Let's hit next. I'm not going to add any cards right now. And then I'm going to make this public. You can make it private or unlisted and just give it to people that you want. Go ahead and hit publish. I'm going to close. There's the link if you wanted to share the video. So let me go to my videos here, and here it is. So let's go ahead and hit edit and see if it's going to allow me to do the thumbnail real quick. So here's our thumbnail options, and for some reason it's still not giving me the option to do the thumbnail yet. So let me pause it and see if we can get that fixed. Okay, so let's try this again and try and get the thumbnail uploaded. I did have to verify my account. I hadn't done that. This is a new, excuse me, a newer YouTube account for me. So what I did was I clicked on this little question mark here, and it had me get a text code to verify the account. So if you can either use one of the thumbnails that's already there, you can hit upload thumbnail. Then let's go ahead and select just a quick one I did. And the only thing I did is I just took a picture and of me recording a video, and I just put in, I like to have some text about what the video is about. Hit save. Now if we go back to my videos and we click on it, now we can see it, how to add YouTube videos to GroovePages, which is a video that I cut out.
Hi, this video is going to show you how to add YouTube.
And that's it.